Okay, welcome back. Here's another quick video. I installed this eBay spoiler, carbon fiber, supposedly. So it looks like. So this was $200 on eBay. I'll put the link in the description. Taking off the original one was such a hassle. See, what you gotta do is, what I recommend, we messed up. We went straight at it with the fishing line, and it just ruined my paint right underneath the whole entire thing. So what I recommend is just using a heat gun and slowly pushing up and then sliding the fishing line. It'd be way easier. Just take your time on it. You don't want to ruin your paint on it. Now all the GLIs, I'm assuming, aren't going to be the same, because on this one, as you see, it curves and it hugs the actual trunk. There are some that are right above it, so it doesn't even affect the bottom part over here. So what I used was Goo Gone. I used the heat gun and the fishing line. I mean, other than it looking like shit underneath, I said fuck it and we just put it on. Hopefully you can see it. Maybe we're in such a wide angle. It's the same one that you see a lot of the Jetta guys rocking, but I liked it. Like I said, just take your time, heat up from the top and the bottom, just have someone pull up and then slide the fishing line slowly and just slowly push up, and then do the same thing over and over again. Because underneath it, I don't know if you guys could see right here, like in this little area is like slightly chipped off my paint, and then right underneath it, basically the whole entire thing is just chipped off. But I've had this car for 6 years. Honestly, I don't really care if it messes up my paint from underneath there. It is what it is. But yeah, that's what about it. Hopefully this sounds good. I'll put some audio over it. But yeah, I'll list the supplies that I use on the link in the description below. But that's how it looks. I'll post some pictures of it too. Thanks, guys.
Professional. Paid professional. Oh, easy as fuck. That's crazy. Yeah, my shirt is harder.
Oh, shit rip. Oh, because there's a little spot right here. That's supposed to be really hard to do.
Really?
Yeah.
Gotta take it slow, nice and easy.
Here, let me add some.
You're gonna add some Goo Gone?
Yeah.
How the fuck is that gonna help?
I don't really know. Makes it easier to lube up.
Lube. Nice job, Officer Fuckface. Lube up the bottom. The bottom. Oh yeah. Yeah. You missed.
Did it?
No. I feel it. It's just hard. Any more leverage?
Just do it slowly.
I know. Shit really stuck on there, dude.